Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. What we are going to do in this video is making Amazon clone using React.js. So for the better experience, use your earphone and let's take a look to the demo. Open a new folder. I'm going to create a folder with the name of Amazon clone. It's up to you. Just create whatever suitable name for you. An Amazon clone. Just open a new terminal from here. And what we are going to do here is creating an environment for our React app. So if you don't know about anything about React.js or Node.js, firstly you need to install Node.js in your application. I'm going to create an environment firstly, then I'm going to show you how to install that. So for that just type npx create react app ./. Basically, if you are completely beginner, then what we are going to do here is creating an environment for our React app. And if you don't know anything about React or Node.js, then just go, I know you are damn smart, just go on Google and type Node.js and install it. It's basically simply you can download as other softwares in your local system, and it takes couple of minutes to create an environment for our React app. Basically it's directly belongs to your internet connections. So my internet connection, I think it's slow, so I'm going to take a coffee break. It's so tasty. It's on you, just take a water break. Just kidding. I'm going to pause the video and coming back to you after it complete. So guys, it's complete and hope you take your water break. Just kidding. So I'm going to clear the screen by typing CLS, and what here is showing that you need to start your development server. For that I'm going to write npm start. And guys, many people say that React.js is damn hard. So guys, I'm going to show you that React.js is not that hard. We just create our first React app, guys. So it's that easy. I'm going to show you that right now. I'm going to show you that how your first React app is look like, and then we are going to create our first Amazon clone. So guys, if you are excited, and going to make this Amazon clone with us just on your laptop right now. Open your Visual Studio Code, install Node.js in your system, and then continue with us. I'm damn sure that you're going to make your first Amazon clone with us. So it's starting our development server. It takes couple of seconds, guys. So for that, I'm going to pause it and coming back to you. So guys, our development server is start, and just look at here, your first React tab. And for this, you need to just look at it. It's your first React tab, guys. Congratulations. By the way, get back to the point. We are going to create our Amazon clone from the scratch. So I'm going to delete this src folder and creating from the start. So for this, I'm going to right click and delete. So guys, we only work in public and src folder, guys. So what I recommend you, just don't go in node modules. Basically there are lots of folder in this, and if you are completely beginner and you see this, then it's not good for you at this level. If you are a beginner, then to see this node.js module. And I'm going to create an src folder and creating index.js file and another file with the name of index app.js and last one with the name of app.css. So I'm going to set it just like this and a little, yeah. So guys, I'm going to create an const with the name of app and an arrow, and we are just creating a function here. So I'm going to export it. So guys, in React.js we create an constant variables or constant functions, then we need to export that file. So I'm going to export it as export default app, and in this function I'm going to we need to return something. So I'm going to return it, and in React.js we need a React fragments. Basically React fragments is nothing but a closing and opening and closing tag braces. So in H I'm going to create h1 and a message with the name of hello everyone. So guys, we need to import this file into index.js, and for this I'm going to write import app, and yeah, we need to render this h1. So for that I'm going to import React DOM. For that we need React DOM from React DOM. Now last thing, for React DOM dot render and app with a closing tag and a document dot get element by id. And if you think that where this id coming from, so it's coming from this public folder in index.html file. From this index.html file I'm going to remove this comment and show you that how small this index.html file is. So just a second, yeah, and just look at here, this root id. Basically we are targeting this root id from index.js file, and I'm going to change this title by Amazon clone, and just guys, if you see this error in your system, then you need to restart your server. For that just go open your terminal, and basically it's compiling. So guys, when you see that error, so you need to just restart your server by just pressing Ctrl C and press Y, and then again start your server by npm start. So we see our hello everyone here. So I'm going to down this and close this HTML file, and guys, as you see here, extra margin and padding, so I don't like this. I'm going to remove this, reset it by typing this margin 0 and padding 0. We need to import this app.css file and app.js file. For that I'm going to type import and app.css file. So what we are going to do here is importing everything from the app.css file to app.js file. So I think it's compiled. No, what the problem is, man? as you see, no extra margin and padding. I'm going to reset the font family. For that I'm going to pasting a link and just this link and box sizing, box size, border box and font family, this one. Just look at here. And I also don't like this background blue when I select this hello everyone. So I'm going to reset it by just doing this background selection and just type whatever color code do you want, and I want a red background and color is black. It's up to you. Just look at here. How beautiful is this? So guys, firstly I'm going to make an header or navbar section, and then the home section, and then the products, and then footer, and then we are going to make it multi-page. We all know that now React.js is for single page applications. To make it multi-page we are going to use React Router DOM. For that I'm going to install it. Just split the terminal and type npm I React Router DOM. I'm going to close it and making a new folder with the name of layout inside src folder. What happened? Oh, sucks man. New folder, layout, and creating a new folder inside layout folder with the name of header. Oh, Control Z. I need to again change that. Header, and with the name of another folder with the name of footer. Creating a new file in header folder with the name of header.js, and another file with the name of header.css. Header.css. Hope guys you continue this project with me. Yeah, it's done guys. For that I'm going to clear the screen and coming here. We all know that what we now do is const, making a const function with the name of header and arrow and return. Right now I'm returning h1 with the text of hello everyone, I'm header, just like that. Hello everyone, I am header. Why I'm doing this is because to check that everything is going well or not. Export default header, and we need to import this header into app.js file. For that I'm going to import header tab, and using here header with a closing tag, self closing tag. Hello everyone, I am header. So guys, everything is going well. Now I'm going to use React Router DOM. So we need to import a browser router from React Router DOM. Browser router as router root and root. Guys, if you use React Router DOM before that, then you know you are using switch instead of route. So I'm going to tell you that switch is replaced by route in the latest version of React Router DOM. So don't use switch now. So I'm going router, making a div. Inside that I'm going to make routes, and inside this I'm going to make route with a path of forward slash. Basically forward slash means we are redirecting the user to the home page or the main page, and if you want to redirect the user to the checkout or any page, so just type your checkout page or profile page. I'm going to show you everything in the after some time. So inside it, element and here a header with a self-closing tag. So everything is going well. Let's go inside header.js file and create our navbar. For that we need material UI. So I'm going to install it by just pasting this command. So let's paste it and press enter. It takes couple of seconds, guys. So you know that what you need to do, just take a water break or a coffee break, whatever what you want to take. So guys, it's done. Now I'm going to use it. Firstly, just go on Google and type material UI icons. I'm going to show you guys how to use material UI. So I am demonstrated. Just go on this and here you can find material UI icons. So for that, firstly we need a menu icon. So menu and come on, and this one, I like this one. So I'm going to click here and copy that and paste it here, material UI and menu icon and with the closing tag. So guys, look at this icon. So everything is going well. And now I'm going to remove it and making a nav tag with the class name of header. Inside that, another div with the class name of header top, another div with the name of header left now, and inside it I'm using a menu icon, menu icon with a self-closing tag, and save it and just look at it, everything is going well. So I'm going to restyle it, and firstly we all know that what we need to do, we need to import header.css file into header.js file. And how you import, I know you damn smart, you know that you just need to write this. And I'm going to make a flex box for this header, so display flex. And if you couldn't know about what's the meaning of display flex, so what I recommend you, just go on Google and type it, because it's a basic CSS property and making flex direction of column. Basically it's by default it's row, and I'm going to reset it, and header top, and I'm going to set its height to 60 pixels and background color white, black, and just look at how it's looking. It's looking very well. Basically why we not seeing this icon, just because of the icon color is also black and the background is also black, so why we couldn't see our menu icon. So now I'm going to make display flex, align item center, and position sticky, not static, sticky, and top 0 and Z index of 1000. I think it's more than enough. Header and header left now. So firstly we need to set the color to white, this color code. So where you just look at here, I'm going to set a padding of 5 pixel and 2 pixel and 5 pixel, cursor pointer, and margin left of 10 pixel. And yeah, just look at here, it's looking cool, but I think I need border. Okay, so border of 1 pixel solid, and this color code 555. So yeah, it's looking well. So now what I need is an Amazon icon here, Amazon logo. For that I'm going to just close this and making a comment for logo and duplicate it, and you don't know how to duplicate it, so just go on setting in your Visual Studio Code and not setting, I think here is a keyboard shortcut. Yeah, the keyboard shortcut, just type here duplicate and right click on it and just type your preferable command. By the way, get back to the point, making a link tag. For that I'm going to import a link tag from React.js, not material UI, I want from React.js. So we need to link that logo to main page. Now basically when some users or people click that logo, so the user can redirect to the home page or a main page. So I'm using link tag. It's on you, just make it static if you want to. Link to and this forward slash. Oh, what happened, man? Link and this forward slash. Forward slash basically means to the main page, and img with a class name of logo and this URL, this URL. So basically if you want to find some logo with a remove of background or no background, just go on pngimg.com. just look at here, we need to resize it. For that I'm going to add .css file and making comment to logo and header and targeting this logo. For that header logo and width to 100%, 100 pixels, sorry, and object fits cover. So just look at here, it's looking pretty well. I think I need to set the margin, so margin of 18 pixel, 20 pixel, 0 and 20 pixel. So yeah, it's looking well. So guys, when you click this, and I'm going to redirect it to the, just suppose I'm going to redirect when someone click on the logo and I want it to redirect to the checkout page, so just click here and you on the checkout page. Hope you understand why I'm doing this. So link is complete and I want an input tag with a search icon. For that I'm going to make a comment of search box and div with the class name of header search. Inside it I want an input tag with the class name of header search input, and I want a text, and coming to material UI icons, escape this and search. I think I want this, yeah. Just copy it and paste it here. I want this search, oh sorry, I want this search icon. For that I'm going to copy this, paste it here with a class name of header search icon, and with a closing tag. So everything is going well or not? Yeah, everything is going well, guys. So I'm going to reset it or restyle it. For that, comment it here. So why we comment, when we check this code again after some time, then we know okay, what is going here. So why we comment here. Header search, oh sorry, not header, search box. Duplicate it and header search. Copy this and paste it here, making a flex box with the flex of 1, light and center, and border radius of 25 pixel. So not now, but header I'm going to target this header input and set its width to 100%, height of 37 pixel, and padding of 10 pixel. So yeah, it's looking well. I think I need to border name and outline, and for that I'm going to app.css file, come to here and outline none and border none. Okay, just look at it. We don't, now it's not have any border or outline. So coming back to header.css file and targeting this icon, header search icon, dot header and header search icon, background of this color code CD9042 and height of 37 pixels. Just look at here. I think I want cursor pointer, so it point, yeah, cursor pointer is looking well. So it's done, and now we need some links. So I'm going to comment here links, duplicate it, and again here I'm going to comment links, duplicate it, and just make it happen. And div with the class name of header navbar, and inside it I'm going to comment a link for sign in and sign out with the link tag and 2. So when we click this, just redirect the user to the login page. For that, login, and I'm going to take a class name of header link. So I'm going to restyle it with the name of header link. Hope you know dot means class name and hash mean ID name or ID. And inside it I'm going to make another div with the class name of header options, and inside it I'm going to span and with the class name of header option 1, and this for hello, duplicate it, and user. Look at how it's look like. Yeah, here it's looking not that good, but yeah, it's looking. We need to restyle it now. So why it's not looking that good? I'm going to make some more links. For that, here link for return order, another link for prime members, another link for profile, and another link for basket. Just copy this link tag and paste it here, and paste it inside this prime, and again paste it here, the last basket, paste it here. So I'm going to change it. When it click to prime, just redirect to the main page, and in prime just try prime. Here try prime, and when the user click to return order, just redirect it to the orders page, and I'm going to show a message to head return order. And for the profile, just redirect the user to the profile, and your profile, and for the basket, just leave it, not leave it, man. Cart, just redirect user to the cart of page, not page. Basically in React.js everything is component. Hope guys you know what does it mean, but if you are completely beginner, it's completely fine that you know. You don't know, it's not fine. I think it's not fine. By the way, get back to the point, cart, and I'm going to rename it to the header option and basket. Inside it I'm going to remove this and finding basket icon, basket, Yeah, I want this icon. Just copy it and paste it here, and copy this frame, and coming to basket and the closing tag, header option basket. Yeah, and I want it to control Z man, 2 and 4. So I want another div with the name of 2, header option 2. So for that just change, I'm going to re class name, paste, no, I think just copy it and paste it here, paste it here, paste it here. Yeah. Hope everything is going well, and we just need to restyle it. For that I'm going to target header now, this header now tag. Header now and header dot header now and span tag. For that I'm going to make display flex and justify contents, justify content center. So it's in the center, just look at it. Basically we see an underline here. For that I'm going to approach file in text decoration none. So I don't want an underline here, so I just look at it. Again come to header.css file and header links. I'm going to target this header link tag, header link for the first child. So basically first child means this, and another child is this with 130 pixel. So header link, guys, hope you understand what I am saying. And I'm going to target header link because I want color white, and header navbar is this one. I'm going to target this header navbar, and inside it header options dot and header option and header option. I'm going to make display flex and flex direction column and margin of 0 and 10 pixel. So it's looking pretty good. And now I'm going to target this header option 1. For that header, just paste it directly now. Header option 1, and for that font size 12 pixel. So it's looking cool. For the header option 2, I'm going to copy this class name and paste it here, and font size to 14 pixel and font weight 800. Yeah, it's looking cool. Now I think I need to target this basket. For that I'm going to comment it here, basket and header option basket, and making a display flex and align item center and color white. And so you look at here, and header, and I'm going to basket count. I'm going to header option, so I'm going to make a new class with the name of basket count and and target this header and basket count. For that I'm setting a border of 1 pixel and solid and white, and font size of 16 pixel, border radius of 100 pixel, so in circle 100 pixel, and margin 0, 15 pixel, minus 20 pixel, and minus 10 pixel, minus 10 pixel, and padding 2 pixel and 4 pixel. So it's looking pretty similar to Amazon Plume, guys, and we're done with the header. And when you click this, you go to login page, and when you it's pretty a multi-page with the help of React router DOM. And I'm going to make a new component. No, before that we need, and here we need some more navbar icon, navbar link. So for that, and guys, now we are going to work on the down part of the navbar. Before that, a coffee break. And guys, if you don't drink coffee, then what type of programmer do you are? By the way, get back to the point. We need to work on that. So I'm going to just down this and navbar bottom, duplicate it, and for here navbar bottom. Yep. So div dot, I'm going to take bottom as a class name of header bottom navbar, and inside it and span tag, and inside it a link tag to link to link to list product, inside it all products, and I'm going to taking a class name as a header link. For that I'm going to copy this, come on, and paste it here, header link, and yeah, everything going well, and yeah, for this header. So now I'm going to save it, and where all products, here all products. I'm going to restyle it. Before that, making more links. So I'm going to span, and just I'm showing you guys, make links just like all products, and I'm not going to make all the links for these. So all span, new release, I'm going to pause it, and new release, LEA, new release, gift ideas, easy, basically, and last Amazon Pay. And where are you? Yeah, here. So need to restyle it. For that, let's make it dot header and header bottom navbar. I'm taking this class, header bottom navbar, and background of black, and padding from the top of 5 pixel, height 42 pixel, color white, and display flags in align item center. So it's looking not that good, but pretty well. Now I'm going to target this link. For that, header. So before that, we need an address link also. So I'm going to header bottom. Inside I'm going to remove header bottom. Just a second, guys. So I'm going to target this header bottom to background black. For this, I'm going to just rename it and yeah, comment it for header bottom navbar, bottom nav, and for the address, and I'm going to address div.header address. Inside it, I'm going to div.header address and icon. For this, just again go to the material UI and I'm going to paste this address. I think location is location, and yeah, it's pretty well location. And I don't need this. I'm going here and paste it here and copy this. Came here and okay, and paste it here with a closing tag and just look at it how it's looking. And after and this, I'm going to make header options just like this, header options, and I'm going to copy this header option and paste it here. And header option 1, yeah, it's looking cool. Deliver to and your address. I'm going to type here is the code, a static text, but we make it dynamic, guys. Don't worry about this, just look at it. Oh, it's looking pretty well. Why it's not targeting this header bottom? What happened? Head. Okay, this. I need to remove this and yeah, everything going well. Need to restyle it. For that, I'm going to a header address. I'm going to target this header address and setting it display flex. And for the header address icon, I'm going to vertical align middle. Yeah, it's looking pretty not that good, but yeah, it's good. So now need to target this header bottom navbar. Where are you? So need to create a new div for our header navbar bottom. So and div dot with the class name of header bottom and navbar. So guys, I'm going to target this. Everything is well. Target this class name. For that header, yeah, and display flex, justify content center, and flex 1. So it's in the, yeah, it's looking well, but we need some margin from left and right. So for that, I'm going to target this span tag. For that, just I'm going to copy this class name, paste it here, and just find span tag inside it. For that, I'm going to set the font size to the 14 pixel and font weight to 600 and margin left 10 pixel. Hope it will, well, yeah, it's looking not that bad, but yeah, it's looking good, but need to again work on this. For that, just came at the top and I'm going to, I don't want to again write all the CSS property for the address. So option, where are you? Options. So yeah, it's okay, and it's all set for the header. And now we are going to work on home section. Before that, taking a coffee break. And guys, don't forget to take a coffee break, because coffee is an emotion, and if you are a tea guy, then tea is an emotion. By the way, get back to the point. and making a new folder with the name of components. Components. And if you are a water guy, then yeah, everybody is a water guy. But get back to the point. Making a new folder inside component folder with the name of home. And no, I think the file I need to make a folder. So home and another with the login. So inside home folder I'm going to make an home.js file and another file with the name home.css file. Just drag into the left side and making const home and arrow export it home and return and React fragment and this html tag. Hey, I am home. So guys, let's start to make a home section or home component. For that I'm going to make a div with a class name of home, and inside this div I'm going to make a div dot home container, making a container. And firstly I'm going to import this home.css file into home.js file. For that, you all know that I'm going to import and forward slash home.css and inside here I'm going to make home slider container because we want a slider. So I div dot home slide and inside it this image and this class name with the home img, and I'm going to paste this URL here, paste it here, save it, and coming to the home page, and I think it's compiling. And guys, don't forget to tell me your coffee brand. I really want to know what brands of coffee do you drink. So guys, it's done, and just look at it. We need to set it. For that, before that I'm going to just home slide. I'm going to paste it again and again I'm going to paste it for 3 or 4 times. I'm going to change this URL, paste it here. Let's take a look how it's looking. Just look at it. It's look like this. And yeah, firstly I need to restyle it, then I'm going to rechange. I'm going to change all the links. For that I'm going to set the maximum width for this home or this main class for the home. So maximum width for this is 1500 pixel and margin is 0 and auto. And now I'm going to target this home slider container and I'm going to set the width to 100% and margin 0 and auto and height of 40 VH, sorry. Position relative, and last but not the least border radius 0.5 frame. Come on. It's not what is going on here. So now I'm going to target this home slide. For that I'm going to copy this class name and paste it here and going to position absolute, breadth 100%, display grid, place item center. Item center, come on, center, and transition of 0.2 second, easy now, and all, and text align center. Now I'm going to target this is home image. Come on, home image, and for that I'm going to paste it here and setting the width to 100%, height 600 pixel, and let's look at it. Now it's looking pretty well. We need a slider now, so we make that with the help of JavaScript, but before that I'm going to use mask image. I'm going to set some more style. Mask image to linear gradient to bottom, and this color code for black color RGBA and 0 0 0, and the opacity is 0.1, and again a color code for 0 0 0, and the opacity will be 0, and bracket mask image for that linear gradient to bottom, and the same RGB. I'm going to copy it and paste it here. Yeah, just take a look. Yeah, it's looking pretty well. Not that well. Basically we need to, why it's not looking good is just because of the slider. I'm going to set z index -1, so now it's looking good. Not that good, but good. Margin bottom to -300 pixel, and transition is 0. Oh sorry, transition 0, all, and ease in out. So now it's looking, yeah, it's looking good, but need to work on the slider. Before that I'm going to change all the links and coming back to you. Now I change all the links and we need to work on the slider. For that I am here, and I'm going to make a comment for the slider. Slider. And guys, if you want the source code, just comment it below so I know that you want a source code. Function and slider. I'm going to make an counter inside it and making a const variable to slides, and document dot query selector all, and I'm going to select all the home images, so I am using query selector all. So for that I'm going to copy this home image class name and paste it here. So I'm going to select all the queries with it, and slides, I'm targeting this guys, slides, this concept, slides dot for each, and making to new slides and index, and making an arrow function inside it, and if index is not equals to counter, then what you do is just slides, not slide. Oh, I just want slide dot style dot visibility SIVILITY is equals to hidden. And another for slide dot class list dot add, and I'm going to add a class in image and index, and at the end I'm going to move carousel. Before that I'm going to make it here, making a new function with the name of move carousel, and inside it I'm going to pass counter, slides, and slides dot length. Here. Not length, man. Alien. I'm just targeting that. And coming to here, I'm going to target move carousel and passing counter, slides, and slides dot length. Yeah. Coming to move carousel, if slides then just do this counter and just check counter is greater than or is equals to length -1, then counter will be 0. Else just increase counter by 1. And after that I'm going to slides dot for each, and inside it I'm going to pass slides and index and arrow function. If index is triple equals to counter, then slide dot style dot visibility is equals to visible, and else slides else slide. I want the slide. Fine, not shows here. I'm going to just change it. Slide. Oh, SL. I did slide. Just paste it. So it's looking well. Yeah. And last slide. Just duplicate it and yeah. And hidden. Just save it. Now I'm setting a time interval for this. So yeah, set timeout 4000 milliseconds and move carousel. Inside it I'm going to pass counter and slides and last length. So just paste it, and now I'm going to call the slider at the top where we call this home. Yeah, here. And use effect. So it's basically import by default. Basically it's import from there. It just is imported as its own. And I'm going to make an arrow and slider, and I'm just calling that slider function. Yeah, and it's done. So guys, everything is going well just look at the background. It's a slider, but just because of this I forgot the 0.1, not 0.1. It's my mistake. Only 1. Opacity will be 1, not 0.1. Just because of this opacity problem, we face this problem. Come on. So everyone just look at it. We make our slider and our home section. So basically we are at we just complete this. Now what we're going to do is making a product section. For that I'm going to make a new folder with the name of products, right click and create a new folder with the name of products, new file with the name of products.js, and another file with the name of products.css. Here basically what we are going to do is we just make a body. Just suppose for an example, we just make a body in home.js, and no, we are making a body in product.js and sending a data from home.js to product.js. And if you couldn't understand what I'm saying, so just a second guys, I'm going to show you. Just suppose here home row, I'm making a row here, div.home row, and basically I'm passing a data into the component. For that, just go in product.js file and create a const with the name of products, and this arrow function, and export it default products here, and return h1. Hey, I am products. We need to import it here. We all know that now. Import products, and yeah, I'm going to make products here. So now you see here I'm product here. Hope you guys understand. And I'm going to pass a data here, and it shows. And now what we are going to do is import product.css file here. Import import everything from product.css file. And now I'm going to remove this h1 tag and make a div with the class name of products, and inside it I'm going to make img and this URL. Firstly, I'm going to show you a static product component, and then we're going to make it dynamic. We're just showing you a static process. I'm going to paste it here and just copy, and what is saying product cannot find product.css file. Okay. Oh, I got it. I need to rename it by rename products, and again rename it to products. So yeah, everything is well. It says that not match the corresponding name display. Okay, what dates CSS. Yeah, the error is resolved guys, and just look at it. So need some more customization before that. Some more product information. So I'm going to make a div with the name of product info information, and inside it I'm going to be title. Basically this title is fit watch, and another div with the name of products products group. So inside it we're going to show price and all things, and div dot product price, price. So for that I'm going to do small and dollar, and from or inside it I'm going to paste just suppose $100. And for the rating just suppose outside the speed tag just in the p tag. And for the rating, I'm going to give dot dollar rating, and inside it I'm going to use star icon. For that just font or something. Oh, material UI icons, and just click insert star. Where yeah, I think which one? It's cool. Or I think it's more. Yeah, it's pretty similar to that. I don't like this full stop. I think it's cool. Just paste it at the top, and I'm going to call it. So let's see. Yeah, here it's looking not that bad, but not that good. Yeah. Now just restyle it. For that I'm going to target this products class name, and making a flex box, display flex justify content flex and flex direction will be column. By default it's row, hope you know this, and a line icon center, max height to 400 pixel, width minimum width to 100 pixel, and margin 10 from all side, padding 20 pixel, and width of 100%, and side index 1 and background will be white. So it's looking pretty well, but we need more style. For that, let's go for it. And I'm going for product information. I'm going to target this, paste it here, and height of 100 pixel. And for now in product information I'm going for p tag, this p, and setting text align center. Now I'm going to target this product group. Inside it I'm going to make display flex, justify content center, and margin from the top is 20 pixel. Let's see, yeah, it's looking cool. And for the image I'm going to product, inside find image, and set the width to 100% and max height to 200 pixel. Object will be contain, and margin from the bottom is 15 pixel. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Yeah. And for the button, just because for the rating I'm going to target this. For the rating I'm going to set background color will be this color code F0C14B, and color, and display will be flex. Yeah, it's looking cool. And for the button, so for the button, just go outside this product information where are you in this product information and make a button to add to cart. And I think it's looking pretty good. For that, I'm going to target this button for products. Inside it will just find button, button, and background will be this color code F0, this color code, and border will be 1 pixel solid and with 100%, padding 5 pixel and 10 pixel, and margin from the top will be 5 pixel. So yeah, it's looking cool. We need some more products. For that, just copy and paste it, so you know, paste. So now I'm going to make it dynamic. So for that, just from here I'm going to parse it to title, image, rating, and price. For that, I'm going to just image replace image. What would I just a second? Yeah, I'm just going to remove this URL and sing this image. And for the title, Fitbit watch. For that, AI tooling. And for the price, and for the rating, what happened? I don't want rating right now, so remove this. And so we need to remove this braces. I'm just thinking what not going right, guys. Yeah, now just coming to this home.js file and pass the data. For that, I'm going to just pass the ID. Not now ID, but I'm going to pass the title, and title will be just suppose fit with watch for now. And I'm going to pass the price will be just suppose 2000, and passing the image and this URL, that I'm going this URL. So yeah, just look at this, guys, everything is going well. Now if I'm going to copy this product and paste it again, then you see products again, this another products. I'm going to target the home row. There, just copy this class and make a flex box for this display flex, z index 1, margin left 5 pixel, margin right 5 pixel. So now just look at it, guys, how beautiful is this. If I'm going to paste this products again, so you don't need to write the whole code again and again, just like in HTML and CSS files. Just make a component and use it. Just look at it. How beautiful is this. I'm going to remove one. Yeah, it's looking pretty well, but need to change the scroll bar. So for that, I'm going to just type WebKit scroll width, bar width. I'm going to set it to 10 pixel and WebKit scroll thumb. Background will be red color. This color, sorry, will be this color code, and for the track will be black. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, guys, if you, it's on you. If you want to make it dynamic, just suppose you want to, I'm talking about the ratings. I'm going to show this in the upcoming videos. I'm going to make a new row for that. Oh, suck, man. Second row, copy and paste it here. I'm going to remove some products. So I just to remove it. And just look at it. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty well. And for the, arey yeah, oh shit, man. Third row. Copy. And I'm going to duplicate it. So guys, it's on you. Just change the color. Oh sorry, change the image URL as per your preferences. Yeah, it's looking pretty well. It's looking similar to Amazon clone. And I'm going to make, now it's done with the home section or component, and now I'm going to make footer. For that, just go in, just close these components and open the layout folder, create a new folder in the footer folder, footer.js. Oh sucks, man, not, we don't need to create folder, we need to create a file, footer.js, and another file with the name of footer.css. So let's drag it to the left side, and as similar to the other footer, and export it, export default footer, and I'm going to return React fragments, and in the h1 tag, hey row, hey guys, hey footer. Yeah, it's done. So need to import into app.css, oh app.js. From that, import footer. Yeah, and here with the code closing tag. Let's, yeah, hey footer, as you see here, hey footer. So let's make footer. Hope you guys, you continue with us. Making a div with the class name of footer, div.footer, and inside it just make a footer, bottom to top icon. We are working on icon now, so expand less icon or arrow up. Come on. So arrow up. So I want this. I don't want this. I want another. I think. I want this arrow. Yeah. You all want that, what we need to do is just paste it here, and I'm going to use it here with the protocol, with the closing tab. You see here icon. Now I'm going to import the footer.css file into footer.js. Import everything from footer.css. So now target footer class and setting the color to white and margin from the component 20 pixel and font size of 13 pixel or 14 pixel, it's up to you. Background is black. So yeah, it's looking well. So I'm going to target this footer bottom to top class and setting the color to this 232F3E, and margin from the bottom is 40 pixel and pixel and center. Text align center, so it's in the center. Yeah, it's looking cool. So when you hover this or take your cursor on this icon, expand less icon, then what will happen? And background will be black. So just when we hover this, the background color will be black. So now need to work on footer links. For that, I'm going to close outside of this div and making a div with the name of footer var row. Basically we are working footer vertical rows, and inside it footer var call. Hope you understand guys why I am taking these classes. Such type of name, div.footer var call head, and it's inside it get to know more. They get to know us, and UL inside the li about services, Amazon cares, and gift products. Here. So now I'm going to paste footer vertical column, copy it and paste it again. And now it's to connect to us using Meta, Instagram or Twitter, and last but not the least, GitHub. We are here, and again I'm going to paste it with typing make money with Amazon Pay, Amazon, or become affiliated, and sale on Amazon, and last easy food. And at the end I'm going to close footer vertical line this one, and after that I'm using HR tag, and that deliver footer last span with the class name footer mess, basically mess for messes, and Amazon clone. I'm showing the message of copyright. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Let's restyling it so it's look good. I'm going to target this footer vertical class. That I'm saying display table, display table, padding from the bottom of 40 pixel, and margin 0 and bottom. So it's been in the center. I don't want this dot, for that list style none. Hope you know about this, guys. So again, coming to footer.css file and going to target this footer vertical column class and saying display table cell, and line height will be of around 18 pixel, and padding 0 and 10 pixel. So it's been a tabular form. Yeah, it's looking pretty well. And going to target vertical head this class, and font size of 15 pixel. I think it's pretty enough. And margin from 6 pixel, 0, 15 pixel and 0. Yeah. What is next to change is us. And white space will be now red, and font weight of around 700. So it's looking cool. Yeah. I'm going to target this UL. For that, this class and footer, and inside is fine UL. For margin 0, and padding will be 0, and dot footer and UL highlight. Cursor will be pointer. It's looking pretty well. Now I'm going to target this footer last, dot footer last. For that, display flags and padding 10 pixel 0, and justify content will be center. And for the footer mass or masses, align icon will be center. Font size of 130 or 120%, and display will be flex. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, guys. When I click this, so it scroll to the up. For that, I'm going to write some JavaScript. Before that, just take your coffee break or water break, whatever you takes, and come back just pause this video and go. So let's start. For that, we need to just set. It's pretty simple work, guys. For that, I'm going to make a constant variable to scroll top, something like that. It's up to you, just make whatever you want and scroll. And I'm going to reset the window dot scroll to 0, 0. So I'm going to reset the coordinates, and going to target this by anchor tag. Inside, just paste like this, and remove this href and on click this s2. So just press this and yeah, it's in a scroll top, but I don't scroll behavior. We need to change the scroll behavior to smooth. For that, scroll behavior smooth, and now I'm going to collect this. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good. So guys, it's damn easy, and if you think React.js is hard, then I think you're not working that. React.js is damn easy, guys. So we complete our front page or home page, and now I'm going to work on this return order page or hello users. For that, just go and take your coffee. So guys, let's make hello user or login component. For that, I'm going to our Visual Studio again and creating a new folder in component folder login. Hope you take your coffee break, and creating a new file in login with the name of login.js and another file with the name of login.css. Login.css. And you know that what we need to do is const login and arrow and export this. For before that, yeah, export default login and we need to return something. For that, return and React fragments and h1 and h1 hello everyone, I am login, something like that. Just for now, we need to just when the user click on this hello, sign in and sign out. So just go link to login and import this login.js file into app.js. For that, you know what to do. Import login and tab, and going to copy, not copy, I'm just doing root and path to login, and inside it I'm going to element and inside it login with a closing tag. So guys, when I click hello user, so I think it's compiling, so it takes some time. So when I click this hello user, then you see hey hello everyone, hello everyone, I'm logged in. So now I'm going to just remove this h1 tag and creating a div with the name of login, class name login, and inside it I want link. For that, I'm going to import link from React Outer DOM and going to make link to home page. So guys, what we are going to do here, I'm going to take an image here of Amazon, and when user can click on the image, then it redirect to the home page. I'm going to give a demonstration for that. img and with a class name of login logo, and I'm going to paste this image URL, this one. I'm going to save it and just look at this. When I click this logo, then it redirect to the home page, but now it's not doing that. What happened? Link to // for that. So just look at this. When I click this, it goes to the home page or redirect to the home page. So guys, it's hope you understand what's the work to link or to. So, and coming back to the login form, so I'm going to comment it login form start and making a div with a class name of login container, and inside it, inside it h1 tag with a message of sign in, and just save it and look at it. Just look at it, sign in. And now start the form. For that, form tag, form, and I'm not on this action right now, so that I'm going to remove it. And inside it h3 with a message of email, and input tag with the type of email, and placeholder your email. Hope you know about this, guys. It's pretty basic HTML code. And for the password, input tag and password, placeholder your password. I'm going to make it mandatory. For that required a basic HTML validation. I required, and a button with the class name of login button, and a message sign in. Oh, I'm not going to want to duplicate it. Save it and just see how it's look like. So guys, it's look like this, and when I click this login sign in button, then it shows a small validation that this field is required or something like that. So before that I'm going to make a p tag inside it by continuing you agree to Amazon condition of use and privacy notice to show a message. So here, and another button for your login button, message for create Amazon account, create your Amazon account, so it's look pretty similar to real Amazon. So guys, now I'm going to set some basic styling. For that we need to link our login.css file to login.js file. For that, just write at the top import login.css, and here I'm going to use this login class. For that, copy and paste it here, making a display flags and flags direction column. You know that by default flags direction will be row, so I'm going to reset it to column and align item center and setting of height 100 vs. So now everything is in the center. Just look at this. So now I'm going to set some width and height for this Amazon logo. For that, I'm going to target this login logo class, login logo, and setting width to 100 pixel and object fit contain, and margin from the top 25 pixel and 0. So it's look good. When I click this, it's redirect to the home page, and when I click hello user, it goes to the login page. So now need to work on this login container. For that, copy this class login container and paste it here, and making a flags box, display flags direction will be column, and width, setting a width to 400 pixel, and padding 25 pixel, and border of 1 pixel solid gray. So it's look pretty good. Now I'm going to work the sign in button. For that, targeting this login container, and inside it just target h1 tag. For that I'm going to set margin from the bottom is 25 pixel and font size to 40 pixel. Text align center, and font weight will be 800. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Now going to target this input field. For that I'm going to target login container, inside it form and input. For that I'm going to set width to 99%, height to 33 pixel, and border radius of 10 pixel, and border of 1 pixel solid gray, and margin 9 pixel 0. Yeah, it's looking not that good but good. Now going to target this button. For that just go in login container and button. So I'm going to set height to 30 pixel and width, not 30 pixel, I'm going to target 33, and width 100%. Background of this color code F0C14B, and the border color of these color code A8734. C7831 6829, and cursor will be pointer and color this color code. So it's looking good. Need to set the border radius. Border radius will be 10 pixel. So yeah, it's looking good. Not that good but good. Yeah. Setting some margin from the top is 14 pixel, and I think it's done with the button. It's looking good. Now I'm going to target this p tag. For that just go in login form container form and p. No, not form, it's outside the form, so p. For that I'm going to setting font size to 12 pixel and margin 9 pixel 0. So yeah, it's looking good. So we create our login form, guys. When I click this hello user, then it redirects to this hello is this login form. So now I'm going to work on this all products of it because it's easy to work on. Then I'm going to work on return order and your profile. All products. No, firstly I'm going to all products. So for that I'm going to create a new folder with the name of list product, and inside it just create a new file with the name of listproducts.js, another file with the name of listproduct.js, css, listproduct.css. So just here and const, making a constant list product arrow function, and export default list product, and I'm going to return here and message of all products. So going to header.js file and coming to all products, just header bottom, inside header bottom, and I'm going to make link list product, the folder name, and inside it I want header footer, so I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So guys, we need to link it. For that, root path and list products, and save it and goes to all products, and yeah, it's showing everything as all products. When I click this Amazon logo, then it goes to the home page. When I click all products, it goes to the all product section or component. or page. When I click this hello user, it goes to the login page. Basically it's a single page application, but we make it multi-page with the help of React Router DOM. Basically it's just reload the component, not all the page. Just like when I click all products, is basically header and footer is same, but it's just reload this products component. Hope you understand. And guys, now I'm going to make all products. For that I'm going to the home page and copy these rows and just paste it here. And firstly I want to remove this. I'm going to remove h1 tag, making a div, inside it another div with a class name of not any class name, just paste it directly, guys. So when I paste it and it shows product is not defined, so we need to import. Firstly we need to import the products. For that I'm going to import products and just save it, and yeah, everything is going well. So our all products section is component is completed, or page is completed. Hello, when I click hello Amazon, all products, hello user, just get back to the point. Hope you drink your coffee. When I click this, so guys, now I'm going to work on return order. For that, just close this list of products and create a new folder. Inside component folder, orders, creating a file inside orders, name of order.js, and another file with the name of order.css. Order.css. We all know that. Firstly we need to const orders and arrow and export default orders. I'm going to return and here h1 tag and your order. Save it. Need to import. Firstly I'm going to link to. For that just go in header.js and after to I'm going to write orders. So I'm going to link to, when I click return an order, link to order, and just go in app.js file, import this orders, import orders, orders, and I'm going to copy this root and paste it here. Copy this orders and paste it here and here. So when I click return an order, it shows nothing. But why? Just go and I'm going to check it. Why it's not showing orders? So guys, everything is fine. When I click return an order, it goes to your orders. So I think need to some styling. For that I'm going to import orders.css file. Import orders.css, not SCSS, CSS file, and I'm going to make a div. Div dot main orders, and inside it h1 h1 your orders. Now I'm going to target this main order class and setting some padding 30 pixel and 90 pixel, setting flex 1 0 and auto, and main order, and I'm going to target this h1, and I'm setting some margin from 40 pixel, and margin from the bottom is around 320 pixel. Yeah, it's looking pretty not good. Margin bottom just here. Yeah, your order. I think 300 is more than enough. 300 is enough. So return and order is also completed. So guys, I'm going to make your profiles component now. For that, just to create a new folder inside component folder with the name of profile. Create a new file with the name of profile.js. Another with the name of profile.css. And same fonts profile. I know about AS7 guys. If you think that I don't know about that, but I know about that. Profile. Return. I'm just showing you how to make a website using React.js or a clone, Amazon clone. So I'm going to show a message of hey, it's your profile. For that, just go in header.js and not prime profile, save it, and need to import profile into app.js profile. And for profile, I'm going to copy this root and paste it here, and to I'm sending writing part to profile, and this profile, copy this and paste it here. So when I click profile, it goes to hey, it's your profile. So everything is going well guys, and let's make it profile component. Or now just remove this h1 tag, only this h1, and making a div with the class name of profile, and inside I'm going to login.js because we need this link. So I'm going to copy it and paste it here. Firstly, we need to import this link from React Router DOM. So import link from React Router DOM. Login logo, no, profile logo. So yeah, it's looking well. When I click this, it's redirect to the home page. So your profile, yeah. So now I need to import the profile.css file. Profile.css file into a profile.js. So I'm going to target this profile and making a display flags. Flags direction will be column and align icon center. So everything in the center. Now profile, and I'm going to target this profile logo to set some width and height. So I'm going to set firstly dot. I'm going to set width to 100 pixel, flex 1, 0 and auto. Object should contain, and margin 20 or I think 30 pixel is enough, 30 and 0. So yeah, it's looking good. And I click this your profile, yeah, it's look Now it's time for profile container. Profile. I'm going to make a div with the class name of profile container. Profile container. h1 tag and message with your profile. And making a form. Inside it h4 h3 tag and name. Now an name and now an input field placeholder. Enter your name and it's a required field. We all know basic HTML validation. Now h3 for email and just duplicate it. Enter your email and here email, duplicate it for the number of your mobile. Just duplicate it. Enter your number. It's a required field, guys, and number. A button. I think profile button. It's profile button. Yeah, class name is good. And update. Update profile. So guys, it's look like this. When I click this, it shows a message, please fill out this field. So again, I'm going to target this profile container and setting a width to 400 pixel and margin from the top 20 pixel. Yeah, I think 20 pixel is enough. Not 20 pixel, 23 pixel and 0. Display flex direction will be column and I think I don't need margin, and border of 1 pixel solid gray similar to the login, and padding 20 pixel. So it's looking cool. Now I'm going to target this your profile. For that profile container and h1 tag, I'm going to set text align center and margin from bottom is 25 pixel and font weight 800. So yeah, it's looking cool. Now I'm going to target input fields for that profile container. Before that, I'm going to target h3 tag. So h3, I'm going to set margin from the bottom is 3 pixel, and now profile container and input I'm going to set width to 99%, margin 9 pixel and 0, and height 33 pixel, border radius of 10 pixel and border 1 pixel solid and gray. So let's take a look. Yeah, it's looking pretty, not that good but good. So guys, I'm leaving up to you, just make it beautiful. So I'm going to copy the code for button from here and profile container button and pasting it here. So it's looking good. So guys, your profile section is also completed. Log in here and all products is complete. Return your profile, return order is also complete. So most probably our Amazon clone frontend is completed. So I'm going to create a cart section last but not the least. just create a new file folder with the name of cart inside component folder cart, and making a new file in cart with the name of cart.js, another file with the name of cart.css, and as similar to other components, const cart export default cart, and need to return it, and h1 your cart is empty, and I'm going to header.js file and this basket icon, just link to cart. Need to import the cart in app.js file. For that, import cart, and I'm going to copy this root because we need header and footer, so why I copy this. If I don't need that, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to target cart. For that, just paste it here and save it. When I click this cart, click this cart, then it shows a blank cart. Why it's blank, I'm going to check it out and come back to you. So guys, when I click this cart, when I click this root, I need to change the root to orders to cart. So when I click this, it goes to the cart. So cart is empty for now, and let's make it. I'm going to import the cart.css file. Import cart.css, and going to remove h1 and create a div with the class name of cart, another div with the class name of cart left side for the left side of the cart, and this image class name cart add. Going to paste this URL for the cart add. Guys, it's a bit.ly link. Hope you know about bit.ly. Bit.ly is for to shorten your URLs, guys. If you see on a very bad URL, or so it's for to shorten your URL. So you see this ad on the Amazon, so I'm going to use this ad, and going here and making another div. Inside it h1 your cart is empty, and a shopping cart image, class name cart empty image. I'm going to paste a URL here, and this URL. So where are you? Yeah, here, this URL, this cart, empty cart icon. So now I'm going to restyle it. For that, basically it's not that hard, guys. I'm going to target this cart class, and making a flex 1, 0 and auto. Before that, I'm going to make display flex, making a flex box now, and setting a height to max count content, and padding 23 pixel. So we have it on padding. Now I'm going to target this cart add image. So cart add, and setting some width 200%. Oh, and margin from the bottom is 14%. Yeah, it's looking not good, but good. And I'm going to target this class image cart empty, and setting some width to 350 pixel and height to 250 pixel, and object with contain, and margin from the bottom is 12%. So it's looking good, guys. Your cart is empty. Yeah, So guys, I'm leaving some work up to you. Just make a try prime page, prime component just like this, and make this all components. And let's take a quick demo for our front end. Amazon, when I click all products, it goes to the all products. Again to the home page, when I click this, it scroll up to top. When I click hello user, it goes to the login page. When I click to Amazon, it redirects to the home page. When I click try return order, it goes to the orders page or component. Your profile, it goes to the your profile. And when I click this shopping cart icon, it goes to this cart. So guys, it's looking pretty good. And